Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One. Trading Holo, highest open, lowest open. I created a new multimeter called the TRO multimeter, new daily high low. This multimeter will tell you when, or for each time period, chart period, it will tell you if that bar made a new daily high or low. Now, of course, if you think about it, common sense tells you that this is not applicable to the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. So, let's move on. Here is the new indicator right here, these bars. The TRO multimeter, new daily high low. And you can see here, we're looking at M30. If we switch to M1, most holo traders look to trade at the highest open, the highest H1 open, or the lowest H1 open. So right here, you can just look and see for today, this was the highest, this right here was the highest open. This was the highest close. So this bar opened high, highest open, went up and it came back down. So you can see how that would have been a profitable trade. And if you look at the multimeter, it goes, hey, the H4 bar made a new daily high. So if you were doing H4 holos, you would not be entering the trade during this bar. You'd have to wait for the next bar. But we're doing H1s. So we can look around and see. So right here, there was a holo for the Aussie yen. So that was a profitable, would have been being a profitable trade here. You can see here there's nothing. Okay, another H4, another H4. The euro's already been okay. The pound's franc. You can see here that it made a new daily low on this bar. This tells you to stay out of the trade. It tells you to wait until this H1 bar closes. You don't want to enter the trade. Now, some people have been using different entries. This was the M30, but you see here it made a new one, but it barely pushed. So some people would say, hey, look at price action. Came down and up, down and up. I'm getting in the trade right here. Let's look at the M15. So right here, according to M15, here was your lowest M15 open. It didn't make a new high that bar. They looked at the price action. They decided to get in. But for the standard basic textbook holo, which is H1, you'd be standing aside. Of course, you can always change and look at the M30 or M15 or even M5 if you believe you have enough experience making this call. So you can see here, you wouldn't have taken that trade on the M5. Why? Because it hit. It made a high. Or I'm sorry, it made a low right there. You can see here, we're looking at the pound yen. Let's switch back over to H1. So you can see here, bar opened, it dropped, and then it turned around. So there's a profitable trade. A lot of people want to criticize and say this is hindsight. I'm making this video right now in real time, but you can see what's happened. It's, oh, I don't have my little time indicator here. So let's go. I guess I need to grab that. Oh, we don't worry about it for now. You can see what's happened this hour. Let's look at the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. There's no action there. Dollar Canadian, H1 made a new low. So you would not be trading this. You'd be sitting on your hands waiting, even on the M15. You see here, it made a new low. It came back up, but if you want to trade it the textbook way, you're sitting on your hands, you're waiting, because anything can happen. It could drop like a rock. And let's keep going here. So dollar Canadian, you're in wait mode. And here we go. Dollar franc, no action. And here we go again. We're looking at the dollar yen. Let's look at the H1. So once again, made a low, opened, tested, came back. That would be a profitable trade. So like I said, people can, if they want to say I'm trading in hindsight, no, that's not what I'm doing. You can look here at the dashboard and you can see here who made a low, who's making a new low this bar, who's making a new high this bar. CAD made a new low, this H1. See, this was the multi-pair indicator, so you can see, okay, last bar on these yellows, last bar made a new high low. That indicates there might be a possible trade this bar, this H1 bar. And of course, you've got the breakouts, and you can see if something made a daily, weekly, or monthly breakout, you might want to really be careful when you're trading a holo. So we can come back here and we can look at a few of these trades. So once again, this was the lowest open it tested. We can go all the way down to M5. So, and it's 25 past the hour. And let's see. So right here you can see what time it is. So you can see the H4 before had made the new high-low. So if you're using M30 candles, there was your entry. M15 candles, there was your entry. If you're using the H1, there was your entry. So fellow traders, holo traders, it's real simple. Now, you can get this indicator, the multimeter, the new daily high-low over on Crestlick.com. But do not post it on other forums. Number one, I'm banned on a lot of forums, so if they want my people there want my code, they can come to Crestlick. Number two, I don't want to post it on other forums for the simple reason, if I or someone else finds a bug in the indicator, then I'll fix it and put the fix on Crestlick. So if they've picked up this indicator someplace else, Baby Pips, Forex Factory, Forex TSD, or any of those other places that have banned me, then they're going to have an indicator that has a bug in it, and it may cost them some pips down the road. So please do not post my code on other forums. Tell people where they can go and get it. That way they know where to come get it or how to get a hold of me and say, hey, you got a bug in this indicator. It's not working right, so I can check it out and fix it. So, my fellow traders, I hope that this new indicator will help you, and it's mainly telling you not to trade. In other words, it is a warning. So, when you're trading these trades, right here, it's warning you, do not trade. I hope that's clear. So, fellow traders, remember, it's not what you trade, it is how you trade it. The Rumpled One, signing off.